I love the sound of Vega. I mean, on my speakers, it's beautiful.
All right, let's see how they sound on everybody's speakers. This is going to be Vega. Huh. That actually is pretty cool. So that's Vega.
Yeah, and I could scale it even better. I mean, if I had supercomputers, I could get more and more bands of resolution going up the sides of the sphere, and it would be even smoother sounding than that.
All right, I'm going to do Vega again. I liked it. I kind of liked it. Vega, one more time. You could actually hear a little static in the middle of that.